I've liked it. Okay, we have next question. Sorry. What time did you wake up this morning?
This morning, like I woke up 8 a.m. this morning,
Hmm.
and I ready.
I got ready.
I
Hmm.
got ready, and
Hmm.
I went to temple because today Tuesday. So I went to Murugan temple,
Hmm.
and I visited Murugan. Then it was a fresh and
Hmm.
patient, fresh and patient
Patient.
in temple.
Hmm.
Patient,
Hmm.
patient in temple.
Hmm.
I feel free to in my mind.
Hmm.
Then I came to my home.
Hmm.
In between, it's very hot summer. Then me and my mom went to home.
Hmm.
After I took
Hmm.
coffee and breakfast.
Hmm.
Then I slept sometimes because I am so tired. Then I took, then I attend a class.
Good. Yes. Yes. Where did you study in school? Imaginary answer, as I told you. Okay, before.
Where did you study in
Hmm.
school?
Hmm.
School என்ன படிச்ச? In my school, I studied. I am in 10th standard. I studied five subjects: Tamil, English, Maths, Science, Social. Tamil ma'am teach
Hmm.
more Tamil
Hmm.
lessons. Was little bit amazing.
Hmm.
And at next period, English. It was
Hmm.
very danger period. English was very bored for me, and English ma'am is very strict, and she asked more questions about
Questions. Hmm.
any
Hmm.
more questions any
It's
one
question. Question. Are you talking question?
question.
Hmm. She asked many questions.
She asked many questions,
Hmm.
and she choose any particular student, and she asked many questions. We all are
Scared. Hmm.
very feared,
Yeah.
and
Hmm.
English is very bored, and
Hmm.
we all feared. After PT period, we
Hmm.
all played. Yeah, that's all.
Hmm. I think it's same everywhere.
Yes, sir.
Everybody, everybody gets a fear of English. In my school time, we
Hmm.
used to fear a lot English, and yeah, I have enjoyed after ninth class. Before it was very difficult to
You
English.
also.
Uh, I have studied in Hindi medium schools,
Oh,
so
okay.
Hindi, like if you're studying in any regional language schools, so it is difficult for them.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. It is very difficult.
But why you choose this English particularly? Because you are very interested in learn English.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, there is a story of my father was aware on that time English is very important. When I was
Okay.
in seventh, I didn't know
Hmm.
like how to read English anything. So my father taught me how to read English. My interest
Hmm.
has come when I passed seventh class and eighth
Hmm.
class. I took class of English, any in 5 to 10 kilometer. I went to
Oh,
study English.
purpose.
From that interest has come English language. But
Oh.
still I couldn't learn the properly English. How is English taught like that? How
Hmm.
to speak English? After that, I completed my 12th. I took admission in my B Pharma. After B
Hmm.
Pharmacy completed, I thought that let's improve English. I've took admission in MA English, but I
Hmm.
was thinking that when I take admission in MA English, so I would
Hmm.
learn English, but I was wrong because in MA
Oh.
English they teach English literature. They don't teach how to speak English like that. So I was in
Oh.
dilemma. So I've feared a lot of teacher, and
Hmm.
I don't feel good. After that, I started to working on my English speaking. That I need
Oh.
to improve my English speaking, and
Hmm.
then I've learned. So I tried that like let's try to teach English. I've do
So
one.
prefer.
I've did one practical. I started to teaching English in my village. Firstly, I taught
Mm.
my siblings and some students, so they've learned
Okay.
English. My confidence boost when
Super.
lockdown. So on that time, the lockdown time was there. So all my classes was start. I made a lot of video in English. Approx, I made
Mm.
1,000 plus videos on YouTube in different kind of the practicing English, and I was also
Oh.
teaching on that time. Yeah,
Mm.
so this is a journey like that. Otherwise,
Super.
did you watch a movie last night?
I saw one movie.
I watched.
I watched.
Hmm,
I I have one doubt.
hmm.
What is the meaning watched and saw? Both are
Yeah,
same,
no, no, both are not same. It's different. Okay,
different.
it's different. Means see or saw means that like we are looking generally saying it's not
Mhm.
contribute like if I have to like I don't need to watch this laptop because it's I same thing so many sounds are coming listen.
Mm.
When we're talking about the watch, it means that we are listening, watching, sorry, concentrate
Okay.
in motion. And look
Mm.
means that like any picture, like we focus, looked at this picture. So this is a movie. There is motion in animation in movies. That is why it is called watch.
I watched Ponnin Selvan movie.
In Selvan. Hmm.
It was a cultural, yeah, real story of one
Hmm.
Raja movie. Yeah,
Chola dynasty.
that movie was very fantastic, and lot of artist will lot of artist was
Okay, okay. Hmm.
and that that chola how to chola save the people
Hmm.
and
And
how to
kingdom.
rule,
And
yeah,
kingdom. Hmm.
kingdom and how to rule rule the country,
Hmm. How to rule in kingdom. Hmm.
how to rule in kingdom.
Hmm.
That movie was I watched last
Hmm.
night.
It was movie of Vikram, na? Vikram,
Yes,
and there was one actor I forget. Yeah,
you
so many
watched
actors.
Karthik, Jayam Ravi with
Yeah, Ram Ravi. Huh? Ram Ravi. Hmm. I watched
Aishwarya also.
Hmm. Aishwarya Rai and actor actress
Yes,
Trisha. Trisha. Did she call you yesterday? Imaginary answer.
she called yesterday for she called yesterday. She had a one doubt about regarding some clarifications.
Hmm.
Only she had called me. I put some clarification to her related
I
to
I
process.
I clarified. Hmm. Okay.
Ah,
If we have to
I
give an answer negative, how can you give?
sorry, sir. I didn't.
No, no, she did not. She did not
Ah,
call you. Hmm. She did
uh,
not call you.
she didn't call
Hmm.
yesterday.
She didn't call you. Both are
If
correct.
she didn't call me yesterday, I did my work and did
Hmm.
my work in correct time and complete my task.
Did they complete the project on time?
They they means some other
Third person.
people's.
Third person. Yeah. They means we are talking about a third person. I mean.
Uh,
Should I describe more?
yes, sir. They means he, she, it, all, or we called
Hmm.
they, right?
Hmm. No, they means I means first person.
Mm.
You means second person. He, she, it is third, and they is we also. We are talking about third person. Not not I, not me, not we. We are talking about they.